I don't know whether you can hear me, but honestly, look at the day. That's where we're heading down there. I just had to stop. I was going to start the video from this amazing road that we're going to be going on, but I just had to give you the view of the day. There's not a cloud in the sky, so let's get on with it. Alright, let's go. So this road goes through to a forestry block. It's not very heavily used. In fact, I don't think it's heavily used at all. There may be a couple of houses up here, but most of it is forestry. But it's a nice little road. And there is a little surprise at the end. Well, two surprises. There's two surprises at the end, so I'll show you both of them because they're both pretty interesting. One is interesting, one is quite stunning and a hidden gem. And you always like to find hidden gems, don't you? I mean, the locals probably know all about it. Oh, there's a car in front of us up here. I know why they were up here. And if you look to your right, just there is probably why. So following this road, this road, the river's not following the road is following the river. There's a river down there. I'm just going to take you down and show you something that I think's pretty cool. We'll go down this little track here. I think you'll be impressed. Through the cut track. Check this out. Now if that's not inviting, I don't know what is. I mean, even that looks inviting at the moment. It is a bit warm, but yeah, massive bloody waterfall swimming hole out in the middle of nowhere. Obviously gets used a bit because there's, evidence of human occupation here. But we'll climb up through these trees. And pop out onto the road again. I think if I could have kept an eye on the bike, I probably would have gone for a swim there. But bike was pretty exposed and I was way down the track, so it would have been a pain in the ass if someone had tried to flog me shit. So as you can see, it's a really just a nice little ride. Quiet road. Like there might be one house on this road, maybe two. Must be a swimming hole down there, eh? Oh yeah, it looks like a decent swimming hole down there. I think that might be the only house up there, is that woman driveway there, but I haven't seen any evidence of any other houses or driveways. We don't have the luxury of the South Island has, of great big long gravel roads or dirt roads, metal roads. We don't have that luxury, which is strange because we are the most, I wouldn't say remote, I'd say the most neglected province in the country, I would think. But we've got like a fair amount of seal. So to get to places like this, you've got to travel quite a long way on tar seal to get to roads that are fully formed. You know what? I'm going to go up Lovell Road. Fuck it. Looks like it's been newly metalled. Like I said, I don't know how far in this goes. There's a few houses. And it's fresh, looks like it's had fresh metal on it. It's got lots of metal on it. I think this follows the Kaikau River, I think. Kaikau River, I think it is. Again, like I'm not sure how long this road is either. But as I said, I thought it went all the way through, but apparently it doesn't. We probably get to another gate at this, at the forestry end as well. But at least it's different country. I've never been up here ever. There's a river down there. Don't think that's public access though. Well, there's not as many houses as I expected. I thought there'd be quite a few up this road, but it doesn't appear to be. That seems to be maybe the second one. What have we got here? Oh, a bridge. Alright, let's get on the bridge. Oh, and we come to a gate. So, alright, so it's not any longer than the other road we just came up. I think it's worth it. I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to have a swim in me shorts. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do because it's fucking hot. Anyway, let's get this sorted. So nice. What a nice place. What a nice place. Alright. Oh, that is gold. That is gold. That is gold. Ooh. You gotta do it, don't you? You gotta do it. You gotta do it. I can jam this in the rock. Look at fishing. Here comes Peoples. Gotta get in now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, under. How's it going?
How's it?
See ya. Yeah, bro. Well, that was cool. Stopped for a swim. The other family that was swimming in the waterhole up in Omori Road came back down to here. Fella lost his taonga. Now for your overseas visitors, taonga is a treasure. So he lost a greenstone necklace, which is pretty unfortunate, and hope he finds it. And they're unfortunate for the person who finds them as well. I think the story is that they're tapu until they get back to their original owner. So if you ever find yourself a greenstone necklace, the idea is not to take it home and keep it for yourself. You take it to, pretty much take it to the marae that's closest to you, where you found it, and hand it over to them, and they'll attempt to find the original owner. You know, another young fella turned up on his looking like a DR, little DR 250 for a swim. Had a chat to him. Said that's the local watering hole where everyone swims, so it's probably a swimming hole, not a watering hole, and they use it all the time. So we'll race back out to the main road again. In speaking with the young fella and the bloke that was there, the forestry have locked off the road between here and Twin Bridges, which is why you can't get right through, and they've blocked it off from the other side as well, so there's no way of going from here through to Ararua, which is where I wanted to go today, but it was we were blocked by the sorry?
Oh, did you pass the cemetery at all?
The cemetery? Didn't see one. Okay, no worries. I'm going to ride with that bloody visor up because it's so hot. I don't think I saw a cemetery or a urupa down there. God, you know, if I think if I lived out here, I'd be down at that creek on a day like today. I'd just stay there all day, put a little umbrella up, and once you got out of that water, it was really nice. Okay, we might end it here under this shady tree. So there you go. There's a couple of roads in Northland for you that wouldn't be on your radar to come down unless you were, well, you would never. That's the thing. So I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did, and especially that bloody swim. That swim was awesome. So I'm going to head back home now. Anyway, that's another gravel Sarge. Yeah, oh yeah, you will have noticed the change of name. And yeah, there you go. Too easy.